Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So today we're going to be looking at these awesome gel liners. I've never played with gel liners before, but this company, I think it's pronounced JOSLOVE, or JOSLOVE maybe. They reached out to me and asked if I would review them, make a YouTube video, and I said sure, because again, I've never played with gel liners. And I thought it'd be really fun, and they have some gorgeous colors. Stay tuned to the very end of this video because I include the swatches. And I also have Panda Dips August exclusive. This is called Until We Meet Again. And I thought, I mean, look at it. It's so pretty, right? This whole August exclusive collection from Panda Dips is like jewel tones. And I really thought that this color, if I can get it out here, it's called Peacock Blue. And it doesn't match perfectly, but it's still in that same like teal family, so I thought it went really well together. And my whole idea was I was going to do 2 French nails. I've never tried hand painting French manicures before. I can't hand paint worth a darn anyway, so it's just something for me to get used to these gel liners. Now let me tell you, these gel liners are super creamy, very smooth when applying, and extremely pigmented. So this is after I've applied the color. So all I've done here is done 2 layers of Until We Meet Again from Panda Dips. And then the middle and ring finger is 3 layers of Trisha from Revel to make sort of like that nudish pink French background. And then, of course, I'm going to get out Peacock Blue. And again, I've never done this before. So I actually took a mechanical pencil and drew like a template of where I would want my French lines to be. My thinking process was I'm just going to get this gel real thin, and then I'll be able to just do it like I was drawing. I've drawn before. I used to actually draw on paper. But I don't do paint. Paint's not my stronghold, but I love gel. So again, this gel is so smooth and creamy and pigmented. I mean, it was 1 layer each time. I didn't have to go back over and try and retrace my steps in order to get a second coat of color. Not needed at all. In fact, these are so nice, and I believe this JOSLOVE company has brush sets that I want to check out, because I've thought about maybe putting some of this color on a clean palette and using a separate gel brush to do a whole nail. Use it basically as gel paint, or gel polish, I mean, because it's just so pigmented and pretty. And yeah, see, so that was my first attempt, and I made a total mess. And then I thought, it's kind of lumpy, bumpy and stuff, so I wiped the polish off with alcohol and then cured for 1 minute. And then I figured what I'll do is I'll top coat it, and then I'll be able to buff the lumpy bumpiness out. And it's only lumpy bumpy because, again, I'm just not used to it, so I put it on way too thick. And it's not necessary because the color's so pigmented. It doesn't have to be real thick. You can do a thin layer. So of course, as I was buffing, I took color off the corner. And so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was questioning, what am I supposed to do now? But actually, I just tried to get the paint as thin as possible on this brush in order to just sort of fill in what I messed up. And it actually ended up working out perfectly fine. In fact, I'm looking at it close up right now, the finished look, and you can't tell the difference of where I fixed it at. So it actually ended up working a-okay. So if you do a boo-boo, just go back and fill in the space a little bit. And then, of course, after I did that, I went ahead and top coated, because I was like, I'm done with that nail. I don't want anything else. I don't want to do anything else to it. It could be cleaned up in other spots. Again, this is my first time trying to hand paint a French smile line, and could it be better? Of course, it could always be better. But is it really bad for my first time? I don't think it's that bad. The gel paints is what did it. They were just that easy to work with. And I really love them. Again, make sure you stay at the end to see the swatches of the other colors, because it's so pretty. So here is where I was like, oh, I'm too scared to try a French smile line again. And so I got rid of that idea, and I was like, I don't know if I could do that again. It was like, I don't know, I was nervous. And so I was like, you know, I was questioning what am I supposed to do here. And then I thought, well, I'll just do like a color block deal, because I really love this color and I already have this like nude base. So I was like, we'll just do that. And again, I started off laying it too thick on that bottom left corner. It's not needed. Make it thin. It's so pigmented that you know, you think you're gonna need like this thick amount of gel paint in order to get the color on there, but you don't. This stuff's so good. And this process right here would have been a little easier again if I had like a decent gel brush to use it almost like gel polish and paint it on with a bigger brush. But I was just using it straight out of the bottle and it still came out. I mean, look at that. It came out so smooth. It self-levels and it just, I don't know, it just looks freaking awesome, and it's not thick at all. And so yeah, and then back to Panda Dips. She sent me cuticle oil on top of her August exclusive colors, and I love her cuticle oils so much. I've been using them, I don't know how long now, the past month. I just know they smell good and they feel good. So this is the end result. It's not exactly how I planned it to be when it comes to like the gel liner. Again, I was going to do 2 French nails there, and I was going to add like butterfly stickers and everything, but I just got nervous and shut down. But it still turned out so pretty. So I encourage you guys to step out of your comfort zone. If you've been thinking about trying gel paints to do like some artwork and try like the whole squiggly trend that went on, or like, you know, dots or whatever, I highly recommend checking out this company right here. And they're on Amazon. All the information will be linked down below for both Panda and the JOSLOVE. And this is my other hand, which is Amethyst and Eurogem from Panda Dips. Freaking gorgeous. Love these colors. Definitely, please check out these gel liners. I have a code. They gave me a code to give you guys to save 15% off. I do get commission if you use that code. If you don't want to use that code, just look them up on Amazon and order them separately without my code, if you don't want to give me commission and all that. But yeah, I definitely check these out. And they have a lot of different kits, so there's different color combinations. I got this one because it included black and white. And again, because I had the whole idea, I'm going to try French, right? So I just need more practice on how to paint. I'm not very good at painting. That's okay. I'll practice. These things do make it easy. You can see right here how smooth they're gliding on. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, all the information linked down in the description box below for JOSLOVE. And big thank you to them and Panda Dips for sending these products to me. This mani was so fun to do because it was out of my comfort zone and it was something I normally wouldn't do. And I think it turned out really cool. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.